All right, spending hours in the gym to stay fit may soon be a thing of the past. An experimental pill designed to mimic some of the effects of exercise is showing some promising results. The biotech company Enveda says 88 healthy volunteers in its phase 1 human clinical trial tolerated the pill, quote, extremely well. It did not produce any severe gastrointestinal side effects, which is a common complaint among GLP-1 users. And no, this drug is not a GLP-1. The experimental daily pill, known as ENV308, is designed to mimic a hormone called lactate, which is released during high-intensity exercise. The hormone helps suppress your appetite while preserving lean muscle mass. And get this, the company discovered the science behind this drug by using AI. Okay, it all sounds great, right? So is taking this pill the future of the workout of the future? Or is it too good to be true? Let's ask the CEO of the company behind it all. Joining us now is Enveda CEO Viswa Colluru. Wow, I'm intrigued. This sounds great. If you can get the benefits of exercise without exercising at all, tell me, it basically is boosting your metabolism, but you don't have to reduce the number of calories you consume? Explain it.
Elizabeth, thank you so much for having me on here and for featuring ENV308. We're really excited about the potential for this molecule to transform our relationship with long-term weight and metabolic health, which is a big unmet need that we have today despite the advances of GLP-1. Now, specifically to your question, ENV308 was designed to mimic the effects of a molecule called lactate, which is a pseudodipeptide, that's the formal name for it, hormone that your body produces when you do intense exercise.
So now, you can get the hormone now, but without having to do the intense exercise.
ENV308 is designed to mimic the effects of intense exercise, yes, and in animal models has actually shown 3 important things that we get from it like we get from exercise: the ability to tamp down inflammation, the ability to improve mood, and the ability to improve overall metabolic health. Now, in human studies, we've only done phase 1, as you recounted to your users, and we're really excited about the supporting signals we've seen to advance it to future development. But importantly, we don't think that this replaces exercise. It should support people on their journey for long-term metabolic health.
Because exercise, it does all sorts of things. It, pumps your heart. It's good for heart health. It's good for brain health. It's good for joint health. It's good for a million different reasons, and that's why I need to do more of it than I do. But this is a drug that you would take with GLP-1s or instead of GLP-1s to lose weight?
That is a fantastic question. And our initial studies are exploring the use of this drug to support the 70% of people that inevitably get off of a GLP-1 within a year of starting them, and then in due course find themselves back in terms of their metabolic health and body weight profile, either where they started.
You gain it all back after you stop taking it.
Or in many cases worse. So we want to provide folks with a solution that is like a statin, but instead of maintaining your cholesterol or like a beta blocker for your blood pressure, actually allow you to have long-term control over your body weight and metabolic health.
So you would take it after you stop taking GLP-1?
That is one of our first use cases we're testing in mid-phase trials.
So before you've rebounded and gained all that weight back, you would take the GLP-1, lose the 30 pounds that you need to lose, and then go off the GLP-1 and start taking this drug, and it would keep the weight off.
That's exactly right.
When do you think, it's phase 2 starts when?
Our phase 2 is slated to start later this year.
And so how quickly might this be on the market if all goes well?
If all goes well, we're looking at phase 2 for about a year and a half, and a phase 3 program that will allow us to submit to the FDA, hopefully, a couple of years from that point.
And all done with the help of AI. Absolutely incredible. I am sure we'll be talking to you again. This drug, if it works and if it's approved, could be a game changer for a lot of people. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. All right, thank you.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.